In the previous video, we have seen how to post a comment, and we also seen like how to update this in the database. And in this video, we will see how to delete the post and update and also delete this post as well as comments. In the first part, we will see regarding this post, how to delete this post. To do that, first of all, we create one delete icon, and whenever we click on this delete icon, then the post will be deleted in both in the React app as well as in the backend, that is in the Firebase. To do that, first of all, we'll just go to our database. We'll go to our VS Code. In the post.js, below in the form itself, we'll just make one condition like the delete option should be displayed only to the authenticated user, that is who have posted the post. That user only should have the access to delete the post. To do that, we'll just make one condition. Here we have user.displayname, that is who have logged, and that should be equal to the username, that is which we come from the post name. Here if you see, username is which become the post who have uploaded the post, and the user the display name is the authenticated user who have logged in. The login user and the who have updated the post, who have posted the post, that both the users should be same. At that time only this user has access to delete the post. Now I'll just make one icon like delete icon. I'll just make it as delete forever icon. Make sure that you have imported this delete forever from this material UI icons. Now below that, I'll just add some of the styles here. Okay, here I have added the delete forever icon. The color should be red because it is a delete option. And now I will just go back to the browser. Here, if I refresh it, here you can see this delete icon has been added, but we haven't added any operation to this. Like if we click on this, nothing is happening. Now our next task is like whenever we click on this, like I'll just use on click function here or attribute here. Whenever we click on this, it should be deleted in the database. Then only it will be not displaying in the React tab. To do that, first of all, we'll just call this database, and inside this database, we'll just refer to the collection. The collection name is post. And inside this collection, we'll refer to this post ID. I'll refer to this in this doc. I'll just update this with the post ID. And simply, I'll just delete it using this delete function. It is very simple to delete any document. I'll just save it now. Now, if I go back to this browser, now before that, I just wanted to show I have logged in with Hunnur, and if I here you can see this delete icon is showing for both. Now if I go back to this another post Raja, here if you see this delete icon is not displaying here because this under user don't have access to delete others post. So that I'll just go back now this user. Now if I click on this delete, here you can see this delete post has been this Jack Sparrow post has been deleted. Similarly, if I come back to this Firebase, here you can see there is only one post present here, that is only the Jack Spider-Man post. I'll just come back to this another account, and here I try to add some of the post here. Okay, here I have added some two car post using this Raza account. Here you can see now these two posts which I have recently added have this delete option, but when it comes to this Spider-Man post, we don't have this delete option. In this way, we give access, and that is delete option only for the access posted user. Now I'll just come back to this. Now deleting this post has been completed. Now I'll just come back to our comment section. Here, similarly for comments also, now everyone has access to see the comments, but the delete comment option is only available for the person who has posted the comment or to the post author. I'll just write some of the code and explain you later. Here I have checked whether the displayed, that is username, is equal to the login username. This condition is the same which I have written before here. And the other condition is like the commented user is also should be the same user as the display user. Like no other user, that person cannot have access to edit or delete the comment. Okay, this way I have checked the condition. If the condition is okay, I have written this code within this besides this comments, and beside this comment I have made display flex. It should be coming within a line. And besides this, I just make two buttons. One is for edit, other is for delete. I have also added some of the styles. For the edit, I have added blue. When it comes to delete, I have added red. And first thing is like we'll just save it. And if I go to the browser, here you can see this edit and delete button. Now this looks awkward actually, but I'm just focusing on this backend operation. Now, if I come to another post, we cannot see if I post it high. Here you can see this edit and delete button here. Similarly, now I'll just add some of the operation to delete inside this function. I'll just, whenever we click on this function, I'll just paste some of the code here. This code is similar to the code which I have written before. Like first of all, I'll just refer to the collection post, and inside this post, I'll refer to the post ID, and inside this post ID, I'll refer to the comments if there is comment section. Inside this comments, I'll refer to the comment ID which is coming from this here when we loop through these comments, and we should delete this ID. In this way, we can delete this ID. Now I'll just save. If I come back to the browser, and now I'll just delete this comment. Now if I delete this comment, here if you see this comment is gone. Similarly, in the backend also it will be gone. Now if I try to delete this HE something comment, if I try to delete it, it is gone. In this way, you can delete comment, but I haven't added any operation to the edit button. To do that, first of all, we'll come to our code. To add an edit button, first of all, we need a form to create an edit button. Like first of all, I'll just create one function, handle edit, and I'll just send this ID and the comment dot text. Now I'll just create one function here. I'll just copy this. I'll just come, and here I'll just create one function like handle edit. Now here what I did is, here first of all I have created 3 use state. One is for to show the form whenever we click on the edit button, and the other thing is like edit comment. Like whenever you update a comment, this comment will be stored in the edit comment, and the other is the comment ID to refer the respective ID. Now whenever we click on this comment, that is handle edit, it takes ID and the text. I'll just make edit hit set. Okay, now whenever we click on this ID, give me a second. Here it should be set edit comment. Just copy it. Okay, now whenever we click on this handle edit, now that set show should be true. That means the form should be displayed. We haven't created form yet. We'll just create within a while, and we'll just set edit comment, the comment which it is previously mentioned, and we'll just comment ID. I'll just update this comment ID in the comment ID function using the state. I'll just you'll just let you know where all these 3 are using. First thing is like if show is true, we'll just create one form here. Okay, here I'll just make a condition like if user and if show is true, then only we should display the form. Now, I'll just quickly create a form. It is similar to the previous one. I'll just copy this form here. All this form here. I'll just copy all this form here. I'll copy it and just paste it here. In this, we don't need this delete option here. And instead of post, I'll just make it as update here. Update comment or whatever you wish. And instead of placeholder post comment, I'll just make it as edit comment. And that type should be text. And when it comes to value, it is, instead of new comment, it should be the edit comment. On change, instead of set new comment, I'll just make it as set edit comment. And when it comes to button, here instead of new comment, it should be the edit comment. And on click, here I'll just make a new function, update comment. Now I'll just create a function with this update comment. Here I'll just create one function with this update comment. Now inside this update comment, I'll just paste one code here. This is also similar to the one which we have done before. Simply we'll just refer to this post. Inside this post, we'll refer to the respective post ID. And inside this, we have this comments collection. Inside this, we'll refer to the comment ID which we have updated using this use state. And inside this, we'll refer to this comment ID and we'll just update the text here with the edit comment text. That is which we have updated from the edit input text. After the post has been, that is comment has been updated, we'll just make this should show as false so that the updated form will be dismissed. I'll just say it. If I come back to my browser here, now instead of hi, I'll just click and I'll just update as like hello. Now if I click update comment, here instead of hi, it's converted into hello. For now, I'll just make this update comment as just update. I'll save it. Similarly, here if I try to add one comment like nice car. Now if I try to click on this update button here, the previous comment has already appending here. This is due to the value key attribute. Now if I add exclamatory mark beside this, if I click update here, now you can see this comment has been updated here successfully. If you come on to the backend also, here I'll just go to this comments here. In the comment section here, you can see for the Spider-Man, I think so. The comments are also updated simultaneously. Here, in this way, we have created this edit and delete button, and the operations are successfully working. If I click on the delete button, the post is deleted. Sorry, the comment is deleted. Similarly, here you cannot delete this post. This is because this is not updated by you, or this is not posted by you. To delete this post, the user must be present here. This user is the main user who has posted this post, so that this user has access to delete this post. Okay, I think we have come to an end. In this way, we have completed all the operations in from starting to ending this. If you haven't watched the previous videos, please go watch it. I'll put a playlist separately for this Instagram clone app. Please go watch it in the order so that you get an idea. This will be very useful for the beginners or the intermediate level stage people who are working on this React. And this is actually full stack project. I think you have understood how to create an Instagram. In this way, you can create any type of social media app using this Firebase and React, because all the operations are same. It's just a basic sense to think and update this updating comments or anything you can create any social media app. Not only social media app, you can create any kind of app because all the main operations, that is creating, updating, reading and deleting, has been involved in our project. In this way, you can create any type of project. I'll just come back with the next video. Until then, please like my video and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.